Hi everyone, for my technology demonstration lesson, I decided to use Padlet. Padlet is a digital tool that allows users to create interactive, visually engaging boards or walls where students can share and organize content. I had previously never had any experience with Padlet, though I had heard of it before. I hadn't ever used it in my own classroom. It's commonly used for collaborative projects, brainstorming sessions, things like that. Users can post text, images, videos, links, and other media to the board, which classmates and other teachers can view and interact with. Padlet has some really awesome features like customizable boards where you can create different boards with layouts like grids, streams, or maps, making it adaptable to various types of content and organizational needs. It's great for collaboration. You can have multiple classes or students contributing to the same Padlet, making it great for group work and collaborative learning. As the teacher, you control the level of access, view only, write only, or moderate the posts, making sure that appropriate posts are being posted to the board. Students can add a variety of media like images. They can draw, they can choose images from Google, videos, documents, they can link other posts, which makes it a really cool multimedia platform that is highly digital and highly interactive. It gives real-time updates because changes made to a Padlet board are updated in real time, so all of the collaborators can see changes immediately, which is great. It's easy to share. You can share a Padlet by generating a link or embedding it in your Google Classroom or using a QR code. And it can be public or password protected or private depending on your needs. So I think that's a really great thing as well. So this is a sample Padlet that I looked at as I was sort of looking at the website. This was a brainstorming example board that came from Padlet. So this gave me kind of a good idea as to what a Padlet could look like. Now I wanted to use it for a specific lesson, so I used it as a to replace a Venn diagram. So previously I have had students complete a compare and contrast Venn diagram prior to writing a compare and contrast essay, comparing and contrasting the narratives of Salva and Naya in A Long Walk to Water. So this would replace paper and pencil, a traditional Venn diagram. It's great because all students can see it on their screens, and then you could also display it on a larger screen as a teacher, like a view board or Apple TV. I made two columns here, differences and similarities that students could add to. And I made several contributions from my other Google Chrome profiles. You can see that you get a heading and then you have the option to include pictures. I can also comment as well. And you can see I commented as the teacher. Again, similarities over here. You have headings to identify what subject the post is about, and then you can go in depth as the student posting down here. Again, I added different posts in different Google Chrome profiles. Now, if I go over here, I can share it. I'm going to share it as a link, and I am going to head on over to another Google Chrome profile of mine, and I'm going to look at this from the student. So you can see up here I'm contributing as a guest as Observant Beetle, and students have the opportunity to edit that. But let's take a look at what this looks like. So if I wanted to contribute to the differences column, my subject might say something like family. Salva, his family is mentioned in depth because readers are provided with detailed descriptions of his family dynamics. Naya, on the other hand, briefly mentions her family, but we get very little insight into the dynamics. Now, You can see that I have the option to link an image, link an actual link, get onto my camera, search images, or look at all of these other attachment types. I can draw, I can include a poll, I can image search, I can link a YouTube video, I can link a song via Spotify, I can record a video of myself, I can record audio of myself. You have all these different things that you can link. So if I wanted to link an image, I might type in family, and you get something like this. I'm going to use this one, and I can submit it. And I'm submitting it as Observant Beetle. Now, if I head back over to the teacher section of this, you will see that in real time, the post has popped up less than a minute ago. And as the teacher, you do have the option to decide whether you want to approve a post or not. This one, I did not turn that feature on, but I think overall Padlet is a really cool feature. I do worry about my middle school students spending too much time choosing pictures or drawing or looking on YouTube, but overall this was a great way to replace a traditional